Hello and welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, where we tackle the random game and maybe learn a trick or two. If you're new to this, there is a playlist on this channel. It's titled Let's Play Solitaire with games just like today. If you're looking for tips on how to get better, there's also a playlist called Solitaire Tips. My favorite two videos in there are listed right here. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, the first thing I like to do is see anything that's in the columns. So we're going to go columns first. We can move this 8 here, 3. I see the 5. We can move the 4 into the 5. We're going to go with this for now. One thing we have a little bit of a problem with, there's two 10s. We'll see if we can come up with something. Good news is our first card we can play, but we're going to hold it. And the reason we're doing that is there's like a bunch of cards in this draw pile. We will play it, but we're not going to play it yet. One of the key things is you want to be able to maneuver the cards around in the draw pile. So those early ones, they affect all the other cards behind that. We may have to actually play, though. We can bring this 3 down here. That 9 would be a decent card to break down. And yeah, looks like we're going to be playing it now. So we're going to play the 6. We kind of want to use it as insurance. That's the idea there. So bring the 5 down here, and then the question is, let's look back. We couldn't play this 4 anyway, so we'll bring the 5 down. We're going to keep our fingers crossed that there's something decent there. There's a 7. We can play the 7. Oh, we can play this 9 right here. Okay, good news. We got some reading room. We have a spot. I think we're going to bring this queen down. And, oh, this is good. You have two options. We could play this 10 or this 10. I'm going to see where this 10 leads us. And, that's not good. We need to find an open spot for this king. So that's going to be our next goal. See if we can figure that out. Alternatively, we may have wanted to play, instead of moving this king down, move this king down, and we can move the 2 of spades, 3 of spades. Something to look at anyway, but let's just kind of play it out and see where we go, and if we get stuck, we'll just try a different route. That's kind of my philosophy anyway. Okay, we can play this 10 here. That's good. That gives us a move. We're getting close. We just got to figure out a way to open up 1 or 2 of these columns, and we'll probably be able to solve this. If we can't, we might be in trouble, so I think this queen's okay to play it. Now, if there's a queen early in the draw pile, I will take that move back, but we'll go with that for now. So 5 of diamonds. And it always seems like we're 1 or 2 cards away from breaking this open. So we're going to see what we can do here. If this doesn't work, we might try a different round. So let's see. There's a black queen right there. That's back to what I was saying. I'm going to back up a little bit, and we're going to play the other black queen. So, going to scroll through here, click again and again. And the reason we're playing this one instead of the other black queen is because it changes the composition of the draw pile. Now we can, maneuver some other cards around. So let's see where we get. Let's keep our fingers crossed that there's something good there. There is. That's a great card for us. It's a 7. It also allows us to move the 6 right here. And better yet, we can move this 2. Can we open up another column? Well, this one's going to be close. So the question is, what should we be doing in the spot? Like, we can move this here, but the problem we have is this queen. If there's another black king here, maybe we want to play that queen and then come back to the red king. Let's see what happens with the red king. If we can open up a column, we'll be in good shape. But we can't. So I'm not going to move anything. I'm going to come back to it and see if we can find something. Again, we have the other queen there. Yeah, this is the king I'd like to be able to get out. But I don't know if that's going to happen. I might have to change some stuff around here. Let's see. I'm just going to take it 1 card at a time. I'm going to play this out and see if I can figure out a way. And that was a red 8, wasn't it? Okay. That might be a way. Well, no, that won't be a way. But we could... I'm just going to see how this plays out. So we're going to play down here. We'll play the red 7. We'll bring the jack there. And, yeah, what we're going to do is... Oh, that's perfect. That 7 is the card I wanted. Because now we have this insurance card again, and we can move this 5 here. But we're not going to do it yet. We're going to see if there's anything else. I guess, yeah, it is now. So... And let's see, there was a 7, a black 7 here, so we would need a 6. We don't have a red 6, do we? Okay. So let's go back there. Okay. Maybe thinking a little too fast here, so I'm going to try to explain what I'm thinking. We're going to play the 6. We're going to play the 5 here. Oh, an ace. That's a good card for us. 10's a good card. That's an even better card. That allows us to put this king here. We still have space. Oh, great. That is wonderful. So we got some space now. So that takes care of one problem. The other issue we're going to have is we need to get this king down to play that. So manipulating the draw pile, I guess we'll call it that, is something you got to be able to do at the end of the game if you want to have a chance to be successful. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of... I guess that's all the cards you could move there. We're going to take this 4, but we're not going to play this 3, even though we could. The reason we're not playing this 3, we're going to play it later. We've taken 2 cards out of this draw pile right here, and we need to move exactly 2 cards so that we can have this king of spades as our face card, and then we can play the cards the next time around. But we can also play this king and queen jack, I believe, as well. So what we're going to do, I think we're going to... You know what? I think I'm going to play all of these cards and leave this king queen jack like it is with the 8. And the reason for that is we're going to need these low cards. So let's go back a little bit here. Sorry, I'm talking too fast. We're just going to play the king here, because now we can play the 2, and now we can play the 3. So we've manipulated the draw pile in a way that we should be able to uncover the 7 here, and that's going to be the card that's holding us up, and it's probably going to be like the ace of clubs, maybe. I'm guessing the ace of clubs might be under there, or another card that's close to it. So here's the 3 of spades, 4 of spades up here, and we have to ask, I think what we're going to be doing is we're going to be playing hearts and spades. That's going to be what we're doing here. So the 4 of hearts, now the 5 of spades. We're going to do the 5 of hearts, but you know it's right here, right? If you'll notice, there's the 5 of diamonds right there. We're going to take the 4 of clubs and move it over. Now we can move the 5 of hearts and 6 of hearts. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to play spades, and that's going to open this up. This column up right here for it. So the first thing we're going to do is, if you look, there's a 6 of spades and a 6 of clubs. If you said move the 5 of diamonds over, you are correct. And now we put it up there. There's 2 7s. 2 black 7s, that is. If you said move the 6 of diamonds over, that is correct. And now we put the 7 of spades up there. There's the 9, and then the ace of clubs should be under there. And then it will just be a matter of time before we get all these cards up to the foundation pile there, and we're going to have it solved. So, cool. Almost there. Let's see. I'm going to see. Yeah, we're going to have to go all the way up. You have to put all these cards all the way up to get to the point where we can move this jack. So, bear with me here. Let's see. There's we don't have the 8 of hearts, do we? Okay. We do have the spades, though. We have spades and diamonds. So 10 of diamonds, jack of diamonds. Now we can play the king. Now we can play the 8 of hearts. And we solve it. So hopefully that made a little sense and was able to teach you a trick or two there. And of course, that's going to wrap this up. If you like this sort of thing, there's more games on the playlist called Let's Play Solitaire. Games just like today. If you're looking for tips on how to get better, here's a playlist called Solitaire Tips. In my opinion, the best 2 videos on there are How to Win at Solitaire and Solitaire complete tip guide. I will warn you, one is like 35, 36 minutes long, and the other is about 25, 26 minutes long. So anyway, that's going to wrap this up. Thanks for watching, and good luck.